What is up, you guys? It's me again, Jeffrey Mondia, and welcome back to another vlog. What is up, you guys? It's me again, Jeffrey Mondia, and welcome back to another vlog. And as you can see, sobrang inayos ko tong video na to, and nag-ayos ako kasi I want to do more legit videos na tech, so pagpasensyahan nyo na may gamit din sa taas. But yeah, basically, I've really been wanting to make videos like this, yung mga sit-down videos na ganito, na parang yan, parang legit office talaga siya. And I wanted to make more tech content, so bear with me, guys. So this is probably my third or second video na that talks about tech, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Today's video is going to be about the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and it's recently a phone that I got a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to make a video out of it kasi it's currently my second phone, and I've been looking for a phone na medyo malaki sa kamay, sobrang bilis, and can compete with my iPhone. So yeah, let's check out the new Redmi Note 9S. And there's other variants nitong phone na to. It's the Redmi Note 9 and the Note 9 Pro, and ang nakuha ko is the Redmi Note 9S, and it's kind of in the middle ng variant na yon. And it looks the same, similar siya ng phone. And yung sister-in-law ko, she got the Redmi Note 9, and I thought magkaparehas na kami when it comes to changing cases, pero yun pala, yung flash nito sa phone niya is fingerprint scanner, and dito is on the side yung fingerprint scanner. So let's get right into the phone. So yeah, let's unbox this phone. Here is the Redmi Note 9S. Yeah. I actually used it na for a few weeks, and I just wanted to do a video now. Maybe next time pag may bago akong phone, pagkuha ko, i-unbox ko agad. But yeah, basically, here's what's inside. Ang gusto ko dito sa phone na to, sa Redmi Note 9S, yung sa mga higher variant nila, it comes with a jelly case, and hindi mo na po pagmahin how to protect your phone paglabas mo na cellphone store, kasi meron na siyang kasamang jelly case. Here is the jelly case, and also a screen protector na on your phone that's already pre-installed dun sa cellphone nyo. So at wala ka na talagang paproblemahin, aantayin mo na lang yung case na i-order mo or bibilhin mo sa mall. It's already protected, so yeah. And also there's a SIM card ejector. And yan, box, manual, and warranty card. Also, merong USB-C and power adapter on the box. And I think fast charger din yung kasama niya. It comes with a 20-watt charger, and fast charging na siya, guys. Pero you need adapter para i-connect to sa outlet nyo, kasi in the Philippines, iba siya. So yeah, it comes with USB-C. Yun yung gusto ko din sa kanya kasi fast charging talaga yung mga USB-C cable. And let's get into the phone. Here is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. Let's wrap it. Here is the phone. Yun siya, guys. I got the Glacier White kasi in the previous phones na nakukuha ko, puro talaga black, and I already see na merong quadruple camera itong Redmi Note 9S. This unit, actually, meron siyang Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G and 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 16 megapixel in-display front camera, and 6.67 FHD plus dot display side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and 5020 mAh battery, and also 80-watt fast charge. So yeah, sobrang bilis na itong ma-charge, guys. And yun yung mga gusto ko talaga ng mga latest sa mga phones ngayon, kasi sobrang bilis na mag-charge. And at least, hindi ka na mauubos yung oras mo, kakaantay ma-charge yung phone mo, magagamit mo na siya kaagad. So yeah. And what I like also on this phone, kasi sobrang, maliban pa sa sobrang laki niya, guys, it really fits on my hand. And just like on my previous Redmi Xiaomi, binenta ko yun actually kasi sobrang liit niya sa kamay ko. So I really wanted a second phone na I can use when I'm charging my iPhone. I can have an option to use this, and pag naiwan ko yung phone ko or what. And yeah, sobrang clear ng screen nito, guys. And yung camera niya is at the top. Yeah, sobrang ganda niya guys kasi sobrang bilis niya. Especially to sa mga games na sobrang laki ng graphics niya or yung mga ML, Mobile Legends ba, or Call of Duty, or even Asphalt 9. Sobrang kayang-kaya niya kasi meron siyang game turbo. And also, sobrang hindi siya nag-overheat, lalo na in long term or yung matagalang gaming. Sobrang ganda niya na. And I'll show you guys a clip of me playing games on this phone. Kung ano ba yung nagagawa ng camera niya, it actually has macro lens, wide angle lens, and yung 48 megapixel niya. And also, it has a night mode. So, sobrang ganda rin niya i-shoot at night. Pero, in my opinion, mas maganda lang talaga siya pag natural light and mas bright colors kasi ganun din kahit yung previous Xiaomi. Ganun talaga pag gabi, medyo grainy talaga siya. And kahit manood ka ng videos dito guys, sobrang clear din ng reception niya. Super clear na reception niya guys. Ayan yung 1080p niya guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng reception niya. Especially right now, we all rely on our smartphones. So, pang everyday use, perfect na perfect talaga siya. Especially when you're watching videos, surfing through social media, and basically anything and everything under the sun you can achieve on this phone. And sobrang payat niya din. Sobrang dali niya lang hanapan ng case kasi on Shopee or Lazada, ang dami niyang pabentang case. So, diba? Ang dami ko ng case. Nagka-collect na ako. Even your tempered glass, sobrang dali niya hanapin. So, that's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. Just want to show you guys lang kung ano talaga yung nasa box niya and what you will expect when you got the phone. And yeah, it's basically the video. And do let me know if you guys want to see more tech-related content, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Jeffrey Mondia, and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!